Hi guys, today I will compare the sound of one of the cheapest speaker, the Amazon Basics, with the JBL Go, which is definitely a smaller device, but it is a bit more expensive. Currently the Amazon Basics can be bought for $20, while the JBL Go can be bought for around $30. The JBL Go has a single driver, while the Amazon Basics has two drivers and a passive radiator. Let's see how they sound. I will play some songs on the speaker and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. Please put on your headphones. Okay, so overall the Amazon Basics has definitely a bigger sound with a stronger bass and deeper lows. It is also slightly louder. However, in terms of clarity, the sound of the JBL Go feels more natural and it also has better highs. The Amazon Basics a bit noisy and harsh sometimes. But please let me know in the comment section what do you think. So this was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.